And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
It's good to be back. School visit. First one in like 2 years today. So excited I got to hang out today at the Hill Roberts Elementary School in Attleboro. I met a great group of third graders and 4 really cool teachers. And this picture right here is from Miss Amancio's class. This is just one class that I talked to. Also talked to Miss Dalpy's class, and I know Miss Dalpy as Stephanie because she's part of my Facebook page and she's part of the contest, and she won, and her daughters Julia and Laura at one time won candy for one of the contests that I had. 2 of the 4 classes, there's 2 more too. It's Miss Grace's class, and then also for the 4th class was Mrs. Scott's class. And these 4 classes all got to hear me babble endlessly about weather for a half an hour apiece. And here are the 4 winning teachers. And this is the book that I got, too, for being there, autographed by all the 3rd graders. It was so great, and I really enjoyed it. Had a good time. We talked about weather. We talked about climate. We talked about how to measure weather. And that was a bright group of 3rd graders right there. Good stuff. Outside right now, Skycam, sunshine, clouds mixed, temperatures in the 50s. And this will be a little warmer than it will be for the next 2 days. Temperatures come down as we go to Thursday and Friday. The gusty winds, they're not going anywhere. Still gusts up to 25, 30 miles an hour. Winds will stay with us tonight, and they'll be with us for Thursday, and they'll be with us for Friday. Finally tapering off as we go into the weekend. Satellite and radar, you can see some rainfall. We talked about how most of the rain this afternoon with some sun and clouds mixed would stay mainly north of the area. There's a few little showers trying to work south of the Mass Pike. But as they move closer to our area, the air is incredibly dry, and they're having trouble making it to the ground. So essentially, you see it on the radar, but nothing really falling. Maybe a stray sprinkle, and that's about it. All courtesy of this low pressure brought the rain last night, swinging north, and this is the problem. It's just going to wobble around for the next couple of days. So what it's doing is it's throwing back some rain and snow into portions of northern New England, and the precipitation mainly stays north of us, but it's going to keep the clouds around, keep the cool temperatures around. The airflow around the low is counterclockwise. You have an area of high pressure to the west moving closer. The air there is clockwise. Eventually, this air has to meet up somewhere, and it does, right across our area. That's why the winds will stay strong as we close out the week, and it'll also keep the temperatures cool. I mean, low 50s, mid 50s is a feeling like you're almost in March instead of at the end of April, and that cool air is going to stick around as we close out the week. Temperatures tonight falling all the way back into the 40s quickly with a breeze, and temperatures by morning in the 30s. So a very chilly start to the day tomorrow. Partly sunny tomorrow, breezy, hit the repeat button. Temperatures low 50s, wind chill values likely in the 40s, and when you have the clouds, it will feel even cooler. Southeastern Mass, partly sunny and breezy for you, low to mid 50s, and those gusty winds making it feel even cooler in the afternoon. A look ahead, it gets better. Thursday, Friday, cool. I put a little fire here. Why do I have that? Well, with the winds tomorrow and dry conditions, the fire danger will likely be elevated throughout the afternoon. Relative humidity will be very low. So I put a little fire there to remind me to tell you elevated fire danger for Thursday. On Saturday, back to the upper 50s and sunny, and we'll get back into an even warmer day on Sunday. So move any of the showers out. We clear things out. Clouds come back tomorrow. Not the brightest day, and it'll be cool and breezy. On Friday, a chilly start. Once again in the afternoon, a little cloud cover thrown back our way. It's not until Sunday do we get it right with sunshine mid-60s, and it stays mild for the early part of next week. John.
All right, Jeff, thank you. Still to come on ABC6 News First at 4, a big